Employees and the resources provided to them are the driving force which take ahead businesses. Effective management of these resources is very important because it directly results into the business growth. That's why using apt tools and seamless management is an irreplaceable part for any organization. With Maple CRM, you can get this facility inbuilt into the system. Maple CRM is an all-in-one software both for B2B as well as B2C type of businesses for management of sales, processes, the workflow, and also the employee and the resources. How does Maple CRM cater to the management of employees and the resources? Let's have a look at 5 major factors. Employee profile management, holidays and leave management, resource management, sales planner, and achievements indicator. Information data fields related to the employee profile can be custom configured as per your requirement. Access to these profiles and this information can be restricted only to the authorized personnel, thus ensuring the privacy and security of this information. If your organization is located across several places in India or even in other countries, you will be well aware that the holiday listing will be different for different branches. You can have a custom configured holiday listing for each and every branch of your company through Maple CRM. Employee leave structure can be custom configured as per your organization standards. Employees can log in into the CRM, apply for the leaves, which goes ahead as a notification to the managers. Managers can take the necessary action and so can be notified back to the users in their own CRM system. Companies can provide the employees with resources like laptops, accessories, mobile phones, etc. There has to be a proper system which will list all these assets which are given to the employees for usage. The listing can be maintained in terms of the name of the asset, date issued, model number, warranty period, and any other detail as required. Sales Planner is yet another extremely useful tool for the sales team. Individual as well as team targets can be set from the CRM itself through the Sales Planner. The executives can have an access at the targets set to them and they can update from their own end their sales done. The managers can have a central repository of the entire team's data and they can have a direct comparison of the targets set and the targets achieved. Achievements Indicator is one of the favorite tools of all the users. Their achievements in terms of sales, their targets or any other relevant field can be recorded centrally in Achievements Indicator. This comes in handy especially for the managers at the time of appraisals. Why not we connect for an online demo and see how this works? Maple CRM is a customizable CRM which can be molded into your workflow as per your requirements. Connect with us today and get the demo scheduled.